So, don't mind my pile of bread just sitting here. I didn't really know what I wanted to do for a video this week, and I know that this video is going to either be late or I'm going to miss a week of a video upload. So sorry about that. Either way, whatever happens with this video. But I decided that I was hungry and I was like, ooh, why don't I record what I make for a snack to share with you guys, because I love sharing recipes with people. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make French toast bites and like put it in a bowl and put some toppings on it and stuff. So it's gonna be a really simple recipe, and I've never made it before. I'm just winging it, so we'll see what happens. Also, sorry, my bangs are like super duper long, so if I touch them a lot, they are driving me insane. They're too long and it is annoying me. So anyways, I am going to get all my ingredients out and then I will show you what I'm doing. Cinnamon, almond milk, peanut butter. I like the Santa Cruz, any of their organic ones that you have to stir. I don't like the non-stir one because that has palm oil in it. I'm using 4 slices of bread, only because the only bread I have in my house right now is low-calorie bread, and 1 or 2 slices of that just is not going to cut it for me. So I'm doing 4. Banana, 1 egg. Syrup of choice. I don't have any blueberries or strawberries right now, so I'm going to use raspberries that are left in this mixed berry bag, because yes, I did pick out every single blueberry and strawberry from here, and now all that's left are raspberries, and I actually don't really like raspberries. But I found out that I can use the raspberries with some syrup to make like a jam kind of consistency that's actually sweet, because the sourness of the raspberry kind of like burns the roof of my mouth. And then I'm also going to be using stevia, which I didn't grab, so I'm going to grab that. Okay, I'm using my front-facing camera now, so if the quality just significantly dropped, I'm sorry. But it's hard for me to know if I'm in frame or not. So this is what we're gonna work with. I need to get a bowl. I decided I'm going to do this to put like the cinnamon and stevia mixture in, and then I'll put the egg and the milk in here. So, cool. You might not be able to see my face the entire time, but that's fine, that's not what you're here for. So, I'm going to crack 1 egg. I'm gonna beat that up. Almond milk, splash of that, syrup, splash of that, this is what the mixture looks like. Okay, set that aside. Now, I'm going to take my slices of bread and cut them into strips like this. This bread is so soft, what the heck? I'm just gonna cut it into like 4 big sections, and then I'm going to cut it into 3 smaller sections. And now there's a bunch of bread on my counter. Maybe don't do that part. Cinnamon. For video purposes, I will tell you, I'm gonna do half a tablespoon right now. I don't know, I might need more. But I'm basically gonna do a 1-to-1 ratio of cinnamon to stevia. Egg mixture, cinnamon mixture. I made this bowl. I think it's really cute. Basically, I'm going to dip the bread in here. I'll have 1 wet hand, 1 dry hand. Dip it in this mixture, and then I'm just gonna throw it in the bowl. Okay, I'll come back when I'm done with this. Okay, I found a better way to do it. I just poured this stuff into this bowl and both things and mixed it so that everything could be evenly coated. Now I'm going to take some cooking spray and spray my pan. And turn it on. And then I'm just going to take, once this heats up a little bit, I'm just gonna take like each individual one and place it on there. I'll put a lid on it, let it cook for a little bit, flip it, and then I'll put it into the other bowl once I wash it out because it has that mixture in it, which you could honestly just put this, sorry, I'm out of frame. You could honestly just put these little cut up pieces in that bowl, and then once you're done here, put them into the bowl that you're gonna eat it out of. Unless you're gonna eat it out of the same bowl, you know, whatever works for you. It doesn't have to be that complicated. So, yes, now that my pan is warmed up a little bit, I'm just going to put some of these little French toast pieces onto the pan. And I'm just gonna let that cook. While those are cooking, I am going to make my raspberry jam type of things. I'm literally just going to take this. I have a scale here just so I can measure out the amount of raspberries. I'm going to measure out 50 grams of raspberries. These are frozen. I'm sure it would work if you did regular as well. And I'm just gonna pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then once it comes out, I'm just gonna put about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of my syrup in there and then mix it all together. And it'll make a jam. I finished making it. I just threw on some bananas, the jam that I made, some chocolate chips, and some melted peanut butter. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video with a fun recipe that you could use this for breakfast, you could have it for dinner, you could have it as a snack, which is what I'm having it as. Please make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Leave a comment down below letting me know how you're doing, and I will see you in the next one.